Are you a bus operator? Why spend thousands on onboarding, ticketing, and payment terminals when an Android phone can do the job better and cheaper? Ticketing and payment terminals are one of the biggest costs in public transit. They're complex to install, maintain, and reprogram in case of fare collection changes.
Implementations of past technologies is such that they are bracing for a terrible experience. The big surprise is how seamless the implementation of the UbiRider technology is.
For operators, UbiRider's tap-on phone means working with onboard payments and validations through a plug-and-play system. In other words, you get simple, affordable, and secure fare collection, fully operated in real time. For riders, it's fast, familiar, and works with any bank card, mobile payment wallet, or travel card. It's simple, it works, and it's so ready available. UbiRider's tap-on phone unlocks and democratizes onboard transit payments.